magic disappearing cup experiment with Sharky Class. Today, the baby Shark Tank explorers of Sharky Class enjoyed an amazing hands-on science experience. The magic disappearing cup experiment. Shamy, Rubi, Masy, and Lucky watched in amazement as water seemed to disappear right before their eyes. Was it magic or science? Through this exciting activity, the children discovered the wonderful relationship between water and air pressure. When the cup was turned upside down and covered correctly, the water stayed inside instead of spilling out. Shamy carefully observed every step and excitedly predicted what would happen before the experiment began. Ruby enthusiastically shared her ideas about why the water did not fall out of the cup. Masy watched the movement of the water and learned that invisible air around us can create pressure. Lucky was amazed to discover that air, even though we cannot see it, is strong enough to help hold the water inside the cup. What did our baby Shark Tank learn today? One, water has wings and takes up space. Two, air is all around us, even though we cannot see it. Three, air pressure can push against objects. Four, water and air work together to create surprising effects. Five, science experiments help us understand the amazing world around us. Did the water really disappear? No. The water was still there, but the experiment created an exciting illusion that looked like magic. Is it magic or science? It is science. Air pressure and the properties of water create the magical effects. Through observation, prediction, testing, and discussion, our baby Shark Tank learners strengthen their scientific thinking, curiosity, and confidence while having lots of fun. Parents, have your children ever been amazed by a simple science experiment at home? Share your experience in the comments below and let Baby Shark know.